Welcome back to the channel, family. I am the Shave Line King, also known as the Health Specialist, and today we're going to be talking about 5 things that age you faster than shredded cheese. I want you guys to know something. There's billions and billions of dollars spent every single year on the cosmetic industry, and I want you to understand that this is only a band-aid to the problems. It's not going to fix the underlying cause. So today, I'm going to give you 5 different things that you should be aware of that are imperative to your health that are causing you to age faster than shredded cheese. Number 1, we're going to talk about sugar. Sugar is responsible for weight gain, creating wrinkles, making your skin saggy, destroying your health in general. Eating too much sugar harms your skin's collagen because the protein's responsible for the firmness of the skin, and it encourages the development of wrinkles. Number 2, trans fat. Trans fats can be found in fast food, margarine, deep fried foods, canned frostings, and any junk food, and the list goes on. This weakens the blood flow to the skin and causes early aging and wrinkles. Number 3, alcohol. Drinking alcohol will not only affect your liver, but it can cause damage to your skin like puffiness, acne, wrinkles, and loss of collagen and elasticity, dehydration, redness, and puffiness. Number 4, salt. Excess salt can be found in a lot of popular foods like pizza, fast food, chips, cereals, crackers, etc. Salt causes the cells to shrink and leads to dehydration. Not enough water leaves the skin looking dehydrated, which highlights all of those fine lines and wrinkles. Number 5, and the last one. This one is the most popular because most people I see out there and a lot of people that I know have a problem with giving this up. Coffee. Coffee and caffeinated drinks. Coffee is a diuretic, which makes you excrete fluids and creates a deficiency of moisture in your body. This makes your skin fragile and dry, but luckily the problem can be resolved. Just drink an extra glass of water for each cup of coffee you drink. Also, never forget to rehydrate your skin. Thank you guys for joining me today. I just wanted to bring you this little special message on health, and I hope you guys are doing great. Take care of yourself. Peace.